Welcome to video guide by LitExtension team. Today, we introduce you the simple way to install WooCommerce connector. Hope that it's easy enough to follow. First, open your current WooCommerce shopping cart with the connector installed. After that, extract productive file downloaded from LitExtension store to get to folders, LE Cart Migration and WooCommerce connector. Then, access to WooCommerce store by using FTP program. Next step is upload the folder WooCommerce connector to root folder. Just one more step to finish. Test the tool again by access this link on the screen. The message "Connector installed" appears if your installation is successful.